All right, everyone. Mike here with the watch list video for Monday, September 16th. Nice day, nice teamwork on Friday in chat. Let me start like I always do. Please pause the video to the new members in chat and read that. All right, I'll get that out of the way now. Overall, the market, SPY, another green day. We're very close to this right here was all-time highs. This coming week, we have the FOMC rate decision. I have no idea what the market's going to do, but I definitely think we'll get some action. Having said that, a lot of times the Monday and Tuesday before FOMC can be kind of boring. I still have no doubt we'll find stuff to trade. I did make a video on NNE Friday afternoon. I'm trying to make more recap videos of trade ideas that were called in the chat. So I won't really go into detail here, but Kevin P gave us NNE right there through 13, worst case stop, probably about 25 cents below, and you can see it ended up going to 16.21 at one point. That one's definitely on watch again this week. And then SMX, I gave a 15's buy zone yellow line area play, which was a huge mover as well. But again, I made the video on NNE. Check it out on StockTwits Twitter or YouTube if you follow me on those. All right, so what are we watching for Monday to hopefully catch some day trades in? SMX definitely got to go on watch. Massive volume, a pretty strong close, all things considered, right? LUNR, which I'll put that horizontal line here. Kind of through 6 was the relevant area, and it broke it on Thursday, but then went way back down. I put it right back on watch on Friday, and you see it is right back up. This is one to watch. This is super interesting to me this week. NVAX had a big day on, I think, the Florida mRNA decision, if you will, or recommendations. So if you look at mRNA itself, kind of gapped down, but apparently, and I'm not smart enough, honestly, to discern. I actually thought NVAX was also an mRNA type vaccine, but I don't know. But anyway, it got a nice pop. So if the pop makes sense, this one could certainly continue on Monday. All right, so that one goes on watch. ALT. You can kind of picture a trend line if you copy. I should have drawn one, but I didn't. If you copy these highs, and then you've got the trend line break here. I think they had some good weight loss news last week, and certainly could continue. You can also kind of put a horizontal line here. Kind of a clean breakout over that area. So we'll see. Goes on watch. DJT. I guess Trump came out and said he's not selling and he's not leaving Truth Social, and it got a big intraday pop. Unfortunately, it had those halts you hear me complain about, and did give back quite a bit of the pop on Friday, but definitely want to keep it on watch because now it's definitely, look at that volume. It's definitely in play, right? OBLG. Had the big pop on Thursday, quiet inside day on Friday. Not a bad setup for a possible third day play, but only with an intraday setup that we look for, which may or may not happen, right? NNE, I already talked about this one. Put the horizontal line there from August 20th high and a nice little breakout over that on Friday. This one is definitely in play. SMR's in the same space and had a little extra volume. It's actually what made me look at NNE originally on, and I put that in the video that I made, so I won't go into it here. But anyway, SMR's in that same space. We're going to watch that one. SNVR, big breakout on Friday. Certainly could continue. It's extended, though. WHLR, recent high flyer with this massive 2-day run and finally found some support and decent volume, although it closed off of its highs. But right off the 20-day there, maybe that one gets back in play. And then ASTS, is kind of a crazy one. You had this pop here, and then I think they did an offering, and it started to sell, but it's already curling back up. So that one goes on watch. Like to see some of you show up in pre-market with me and help me build the pre-market watch list as well. And between pre-market gappers, when I say pre-market, I mean the pre-market gapper watch list. And between that and this watch list, we should find some A+ setups once the market opens. All right, I'm done babbling. We'll see you in chat. Have a great rest of your weekend.